Good morning everyone and welcome to Yuni's daily update on Bitcoin. Hope you're all doing very well as always. We are the 1st of December, so we have to update the new monthly levels, the new monthly naked path control, and the new monthly levels, the basic ones really on the chart. So we're going to see if we have a new monthly here or not. And a new monthly negative path control, already have the answer. Personally, for the monthly negative path control, we do have one right here, as you can see, that is very close to the current price action, but I mean, this is normal. We spend a lot of time within this range, so yeah, it's logic. But anyway, so just to before to start with all the new levels and everything, by the way, I'm gonna remove that. What happened yesterday is we simply have done a swing Philip pan, okay? Oops, right here, so we have this low, okay? We took the lows, you know, we've got a massive amount of longs, as I said, so to take the lows will make sense. We took the lows, from here we got a nice swing Philip pan. We've got, by the way, a good data for a long, I did to that long trade. And so yeah, from here that brings us with the current price we're in. So yeah, you got some really good data here. You trap some shorts. You've got some, an MC1 reaction, for example, stuff like that. So this is pretty cool. By the way, the volume, yes, perfect. Just gonna pause the music also here. Nice. So yeah, that ended with a swing. This ended with a swing Philip pan. So this is yeah, just into the first level here. We have planned the value are high. Even if that was a bit high, to be fair, the reaction was very nice. So this gives, yeah, it gives a very good trade right now. But anyway, so let's go here with the monthly time frame, see if we have a new level. No, we don't. So now we can come back here on the daily. I'm not going to add that daily level, I don't really care. And so we have nothing like this to add. So let's see now the levels there. So we have, let's start with the monthly negative path control, by the way. So where is this? 37, 062.5. Alright. Duck, 30, oops. 62.5. Okay. Yeah, I mean, this is around the path control, this is logic, by the way. Alright, so let's take this. What is this, by the way? Okay. Key levels. We're good with this. So now we have no daily naked point of control. Maybe on tick 1, no. Okay, so what do we have otherwise here? No naked session path control. We have some fingerprints here to be aware of if we come back down below here. And we have no TPOs, so we have only this new monthly naked path control to add on the chart, otherwise we have nothing else really. And right now we're above everything, so yeah, the last short really target will be this daily negative path control. Otherwise, if we get nothing here, we're simply going to look for a new high to be made, to be honest with you. Sorry. Yeah, so nothing changed so much, to be honest with you, since yesterday. I'm just gonna pull this a bit more on the right, so I can move also the other squares. I mean, I can add a new one here just above. Nice. So these are all really the zone of support where I have to look for a long. Okay, I'm not going to say, hey, you have to long here, long here, long here. Explain everything. These are the targets really where you can look for a long. So you can look for this long trade, you can look for this, you can look for this. Okay, here just for this double bottom here, we do have a daily here, okay, but I will prefer personally to go and take the lows. That will be a bit better, so to take that low and take that low, or minimum this low here, but not just bounce from the daily. I will prefer to go a bit more down here, take some few stop loss, and from here get something possibly. Yeah, that will be the best. Otherwise, yeah, next area you can see clearly the different zone of price. If we do not swing Philip pan these two bottoms, okay, we're simply going to look for the bottom right here of the pullback. You know, we have this quick push up, we have the pullback, so we form a bottom right here. If we get no swing Philip pan or fail option of this bottom, we're simply going to see a nice move to the downside into 30,700. Okay, now to the upside, we have, so as I said, one daily naked path control just above. if we start to break this, we're simply going to look for a new high to be made. Okay, again, I'm giving you some targets. You're like, okay, the guy is giving like 6 support, for example, and stuff like that. Cool, but how do we recognize if we have to take a long or not in there, or take a short trade? This is very simple. You just need to read this order flow. By reading this, you're going to be able to make some informed decisions, and so to speak, so if you have or not to take the trade, really. This is absolutely insane, the order flow. And by the way, you can download this workspace, okay? All of this view right here, the order flow is a DOM, plus all the levels you have to update daily. You can download this workspace on the website in the course and resource section, okay? But anyway, if we start breaking here the daily negative path control plus this top right here, by the way, I forgot what I let here, the NPOC. I'm gonna name this new high. Perfect. If we start breaking the top with no swing for the pan or failed auction, what we can look for here, it's very simple. We can look for, gonna go on a bit of a bigger time frame. Sorry, drinking a bit of coffee at the same time. My morning coffee. Yeah, so if we get no swing for the pan or failed auction of the top, let's look for the key level here. That is simply the point of control of this full consolidation before. So if you pull your retracement tool from here to here, bam, you have your point of control. Okay, so this is a next level we have to be aware of just above it. If you start breaking this, we're simply going to look for the triple top here. Okay, we'll have this high, this high, this high, for a possible swing failed pan or failed auction again of one of these tops. We have to trace based off the direction. If there is nothing good of the last top here for a short trade, we're simply going to see a nice 5-6% increase in price into this next top right here. We this one, and we have here, you can see this weekly negative path control, so I have to look for 43,000 up to 43,500 really. Okay, maybe also up to this swing through the pan 44,000 by the way. If we start breaking all of this zone of price, we're simply going to look for this monthly level up to the point of control, so to speak 45,500 up to 47 to 300. Break this, look for a new high here to be made, and so as always we take a high, so swing through the pan, failed auction. Okay, to the downside, just to remind you, this first support here, as I said, at 30,700, this is the first support. Yes, but the biggest support really come around this value high with the weekly negative path control at 28,800, because these are right here, the four first level here are some old resistance that we can just come back when you come back down here, flip into support. So just be aware of that. Now the first 4 levels here are some old resistance, but again, you can still keep some good trades next. Okay, but a real big strong support come around this value high level and weekly negative path control down to the swing for part of this consolidation here. Okay, so now with the levels we're good. Let's move now on the waves. On the waves, I'm still looking for the same, to be fair, at the moment. As I said yesterday, we can still make, one more, something like an ABC flat, A, B, C flat to make a bigger W, X and Y. Okay, so to take the highs, it is possible. We can be in this configuration where we are in this right here, we are just going to make one more push to the upside, simply because we was here in a WXY. Okay, that was a W, X and Y, and so now we have an ending, but like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so last push to the upside. So we have many different configurations where we can still take the highs, so do not be surprised if we take the highs. I said yesterday, we can take the highs, just trade is based off the direction. If we get a swing through the pan, take the trade, take the short trade, write it down, and that's it really. Okay, again, the swing through the pan if you have the good data on the order flow. If you don't, of course, you have no trade on this. But now if we start pushing higher and higher and higher and higher and never come back down, what it means, it simply means that we are into this, and we're going to do this wave 3 later, first of all. Okay, this will be done later, and we are into this wave 5. And what's inside this wave 5 really? The negative path control is hit, by the way. Yep, it is simply a wave, a triple wave 1, 2 here, so to speak. We have a wave 1, 2, another wave 1, another wave 2, another wave 1, another wave 2, and bam, here we go, 3, 4, 5. These 5 waves complete this wave 3, then we have the wave 4, then we have the wave 5. These 5 waves complete this wave 3, 4 and 5. Okay, this is really in case we have to push a lot higher, but again, I'm not a super bullish guy, even if there is money in my name. It's just for the long term, not like this. Okay, I'm not a super bullish or super bearish guy. I'm neutral really, and trading what I can see on my chart. So yeah, these are the different possible waves. Really, I'm more like looking for. Again, there's also this configuration where we are seeing the wave 4. You know, we are in an ABC flat like this. This is something also possible, but less looking for this, to be honest with you right now. As we have more likely this wedge here to the upside, I will prefer to insert configuration or even this one here. Okay, either is ending 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either this one here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in that case here, if we take the highs, I'm looking for a flat, okay, because this is already done, but I'm gonna control the everything. It's gonna be easier like this. Perfect. So here in that case an A, okay, a B retracement, a C, and this ABC flat. Of course, as you can see, we have to come down for the wave 4, so we can simply look here for a bigger W, X, and Y, and maybe an even bigger triangle, and a bigger ABC flat after this. For example, a bigger A wave. We have a double X in the A wave, B retracement, and bam, come back down again. So we make the wave 4 later, and we have this. You know, we can make some different stuff here, but this is something possible. We have to look for first of all a possible ABC flat or a last push up. You know, for the ending with the wave 4. If I can take it here, and so in that case, you know, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, well, that makes sense. So I don't know if you have some questions today. Let me know in the chat if you have some questions. Otherwise, we're good, really. We have no trap longs on this weekly negative path control. We do have trap longs, by the way. I mean, possible trap longs. Oh yes. We do have almost 5 million here opening into this daily negative path control, by the way. So yeah, watch out for a possible MC short action. For now, we have nothing. Right. Okay. And why, by the way, yesterday this was a good launcher, so because we've got absorption. You can see here low, 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 high, low. And we've got next bullish divergence, by the way, absorption on the lows again. We've got some trap shorts on different time frames, and we've got a nice MCR reaction to rise. And so right now we do have a bit of absorption of we do have a very small one here. So from these tops right here, okay, high, 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 and we have a high, low, high. So it means that there are some possible limit shorts absorbing the longs right now. But again, now we need to see the demand coming in here to drop the MC short action, really. If there is none, then it's not going to drop. Simple as that, really. And for now, there is none. Now again, if we get it on a 10-second chart, it can be in a few seconds. It can change. So be aware of that. Anyway, I don't see any questions right now, so I think that we're good for today. Just gonna check the news if there are some today. Yes, we have some at 4 and 5 p.m. By the way, UTC +1. 4 and 5 p.m. Oh, we have the Fed, by the way, today. Nice. And next is on December 5, so it's next week, Tuesday. Yeah. Alright, cool. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. By the way, completely forgot to check out the Discord, but normally there are any TAs in here. Now, if you want me to check your TAs or post your chattings or whatever, really, you can go here into the Bitcoin TA here. So your alts TA, by the way. These are more Bitcoin updates, so I'm more going to check the Bitcoin TA. But if you have anything to post really in here, or you want me to talk about, feel free to post in here a scenario, a wave count, or whatever. Feel free to post in here, but I don't see anything today. So yeah, the plan is remaining the same. Don't forget the FIP timer so that we have planned. Where is this Bitcoin TA here? It must be here that we have planned 2 months ago already, by the way. The 2nd of December here. Yeah, it's again, these are right here all the FIP time you have to be aware of. Oops, I click it, enter, it opens the stuff in the browser. So 2nd of December, 11th of December, this is really the zone of date we have to be aware of. I'm just going to try to find, it's not here normally. Nah, so let me just find this. Must be here. Let me remove this. Bam, bam. Here you go. Is this one this way here? I'm gonna. Perfect, so it's starting from the 2nd, we have the 11, now this 5 and the 11, so between these dates, okay, again, it's not necessarily on the exact date, it can be 3 days before, 3 days after, it can be a week before, a week after, it's around this sort of date, okay, we should get something. So to speak, we can get, for example, on the 2nd of December, the possible wave 5 top and retrace for the wave 4, and maybe, for example, here on the 11th of December, we can do the wave 4 bottom and reclaim for the wave 5. Okay, this is something possible. But again, yeah, we just need to be aware of this zone of price, of this zone of date, really. So between the 2nd of December, we have the 5, sorry, and the 11th of December. And the next flip time really come around March in 2024, between the 3 and 12, right here. Normally he posted on the Discord server already. Yeah, he posted 11 here. I think it was because it was on another time frame, so it switched a bit. No, 1 day, by the way. Well, I don't know, it's around there in any case, so it's not a real problem. Oh, 11, I'm stupid. Yeah, no, it's the same. It's the same. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And we are taking the highs. They said we have nothing good for a short yet, so sorry. Nice, we're taking the highs now. Pretty cool. So anyway, I wish you all a brilliant day. Have a nice weekend. Take care and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.